On 20th and 21st February, Category 5 severe tropical cyclone Winston cut a path of destruction across Fiji. Tonga had felt the effects of Winston twice, but not as devastating as Fiji. And yes, Fiji has seen some severe cyclones in the past, with Category 4 Evan in 2012, but Winston was the most severe. The Fiji government estimates almost 350,000 people living in the cyclone's path to have been affected. That's 180,000 men and 170,000 women. According to the latest report by the United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, 43 people have been confirmed dead. Today at Multicultural Contemporary Worship, we remember those who have left us and all those affected by the devastation of Cyclone Winston, which hit Fiji.
Oh,